Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If this is the first time you are watching me, then hi, I'm Neha. I make beauty videos here on YouTube. Before starting the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button right next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be sharing my review and my overall experience with the brand Freewill. So for those of you who don't know, Freewill is an Indian brand and they make customized hair care products which are specifically made for your hair problems. Sounds really interesting, isn't it? I love the idea of customized anything, so I was like, I should give it a try. So I went to their website and I filled the assessment form, and the assessment form had approximately 22 questions about my hair. There were questions like, what is my hair length, what is the thickness of my hair, what is the volume of my hair, and what appliances I use to style my hair, and many more questions like this. And there were also questions about the hair problems that I might be facing. For example, hair fall, frizziness, or dandruff. So I filled the form and then I selected the color and the fragrance of the shampoo. And out of 4 colors, I selected the green color, which is in the avocado fragrance. And lastly, they asked what name you want to be printed on the bottle, and I obviously gave my name. So I bought their single kit, which had a 250 ml shampoo, a 150 ml conditioner, and a 30 ml serum. And it was for 1650 rupees. This is how the packaging of the shampoo looks like. It comes in this see-through plastic bottle and it has this pump to dispense out the shampoo. And the consistency of the shampoo is runny and it has this iridescent shine to it. And it has moderate fragrance. The fragrance is not extremely high, not extremely mild. It is on the middle. And this is how the conditioner looks like. It comes in this see-through plastic bottle and it also has a pump to get the product out. And the consistency of this conditioner is thick. It is thicker than the consistency of normal conditioners. And because of this thick consistency, it feels like a hair mask rather than a conditioner. And it also has moderate fragrance. And this is what the serum looks like. It comes in this glass bottle and it has this dropper to dispense out the product. And the consistency of the serum is runny and it is thick in texture and it is transparent in color and it has really strong fragrance. Both shampoo and conditioner have my name on it, but the serum does not have my name. So now I'm going to tell you my experience with these 3 products, and I have used them for 5 to 6 times already. So all of my thoughts are clear and I'm ready to share my honest review. But before telling my experience, I want you guys to know a little bit about my hair and my hair problems. So my hair length is dry and frizzy and my scalp is normal and I'm also facing hair fall issues. So let's start with the shampoo first. The shampoo foams up really well and it removes dirt, oil, sweat and everything from the scalp. The conditioner feels more like a hair mask than a typical conditioner and it does condition the hair. Both shampoo and conditioner make my hair soft and manageable and they also leave a nice mild fragrance on the hair which lasts for 2 to 3 days. So after using the shampoo and the conditioner, I move on to the serum that they gave, and I apply this on my hair length. This serum makes my hair frizz-free and soft. The combination of these three products solved 50% of my hair concerns. It solves the problem of dryness and frizziness, and it makes my hair soft. But these products have not controlled or reduced my hair fall. So that is still a problem for me. Now I will be finishing up the conditioner and the serum, but I don't think that I will be using the shampoo. So yeah, that's all for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.